So welcome back to my channel, my people. Today we're gonna be doing the Boxycharm unboxing and try on haul. So let's get right into it. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products for this month. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got first, and then I'll go ahead and try them on. So I got the iconic. La música, I feel like it's too loud. So I got the iconic lip plumping gloss in the shade Nearly Nude. So there you go, that's what I got. Then I got the Glassy Pretty Filter. Well, so next I got the Glossy Skin Balm from Touch and Soul. I'm excited for this one. Next, I got the Dose of Colors palette, Baked Browns. Then I got a sponge, makeup sponge, cosmetic sponge. It's latex free, and it came in black. And then I got, it's coming out. Oh my god, look. Once it came out of its packaging. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead in with the Touch and Soul Glossy Skin Balm. It is for an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. At the last step of skincare routine, apply evenly through the face as needed to achieve dewy and glowy skin. Applying 2 or 3 times allows even longer lasting wear. Also, like for priming, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this as a primer. I'm gonna use what's in the cap. That is very refreshing. Oh my gosh, this product smells so good. It technically smells like the No Problem. It's like the same smell. Oh my god, it feels so silky. I like it. I just hope it doesn't make me oily because it feels kind of oily. I like it. Okay, there you go. So now I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using Anastasia Dip Brow in this shade Medium Brown. Be right back. Went ahead and set my eyes with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear concealer in the shade Amber. I'm gonna go in with the palette. I'm so excited for this one because I've never used one of their palettes. Are they expensive? I don't know. They're $32. It's oh, and it comes with the brush. This is so perfect for fall. Look at this. Look at this. So beautiful. Okay, so and it comes with a little brush. This is so thin. Like look at my finger and look at this. It's thin. So I'm gonna use this side of the brush to set my face. Excuse my dog. Oh, that's a lot of fallout. But it's okay. We can clean that. That's why I kind of do my eyes first, just in case like this happens. This brush is so tiny. Ito que nunca voy a acabar. Yeah, I'm going with another one. I'm going with this Wet n Wild brush. I don't know. No dice el nombre. I'm gonna go with the BH Cosmetic brush. The 5 is the black and rose gold set. And I'm gonna go in ahead with the shade Outdoorsy for my transition color. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. These eyeshadows are so easy to blend. Look at that pigment. And I feel like it's true to color. Like what you see in the pan is the color that you get. And it's built up. Do you see that? Oh my god, I like it. Ugh, that dry patch is coming through again. Yep, they're coming back. So I'm gonna do one eye and then I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. If y'all could see the fall on my vanity, it's insane, but it's worth it. Now I'm gonna go in with this brush, the one that I used to set. I'm gonna clean it off a bit and I'm gonna go in with the cherry wood. Now I'm gonna go back in with the BH Cosmetic brush. So I'm gonna go in with the other end of the brush, is a pointed pencil brush. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with the dark color Rock Bottom. And darken that crease up and try to wing it out as well. There you go. Now I'm gonna go back with the BH Cosmetics and I'm gonna use a little tiny bit of the Outdoorsy to add it back into the eye because it kind of went away. There you go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. I'm gonna do a cut crease. A cut crease. And I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Okay, so I already went in with my eyeliner, but I haven't done the other eye, so antes de que me adelante, I'm gonna go in back with the shade Tea Light from the palette, and I'm gonna set that cut crease. Well, I already set that. Now I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. Today I'm using the NYX matte liquid liner. Just go ahead and do my lashes and then I'll be right back so we can test out the sponge. Ready? Okay, so my lashes are on. So now for the Illuminati's cosmetic sponge. It feels kind of stiff, so I'm gonna go ahead and go wet it. I'm gonna go ahead and wet it. Okay, so it did get a little bit softer. It's a little bit stiff. Yeah, it's kind of stiff, but let's see how it applies. The foundation, I'm going ahead with my Maybelline foundation, and I'm doing 2 pumps like always. So there you go. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face except the highlighter, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're at the highlighter part now. The Lara Geller, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it to see the color, because it looks kind of pink. So I'm trying to open it carefully so this won't break more. Yeah, because you see it came out. So the highlighter part didn't record. The, not highlighter, the illuminator. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I applied it on my inner corners.
No, but it's okay. At least it's not cracked. So
no, I don't like it either. I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna do another one. Okay, there you go. That's much better. So now I'm gonna finish my eyes from the lower lash line. And I'm gonna go ahead and go with the brush that came with the those of colors. And I'm gonna go with Cherry Wood. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Rock Bottom. Get close. Okay, so I went with my mascara and did my lower lashes. Now I'm gonna go and tell you what I thought about the product. So the Glassy Skin Balm, I love this. It really did hydrate my face. So can't wait to keep using it. Then what did I use next? I forgot. Okay. So the eyeshadow palette. Oh my god. I love the eyeshadow palette. I love it. I love it. It's pigmented. I don't know if y'all can see what I did. But I like it. I like it. Pigmented. It is so right for the color, for the fall right now. Like those colors really, you can use them for fall. So that's a yes too. And then the sponge, I didn't, to be honest, I didn't like the sponge that much. I feel like it's soaked in almost all of my foundation. So yeah, it's like a I didn't like it, to be honest. It's stiff for my liking and it soaked up my foundation. But yeah, then the illuminator, I didn't really like it. Maybe for other uses, but yeah. The color, I don't know. This is more for like if I'm like creating something like drastic, you know. But yeah, and then I forgot to try on the lip plumbing thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So it's getting tingly. Like on top of colors, like I feel like this will be good, but on its own, I don't think it's my color. To be honest, I don't think it's my color. But on top of another, like right now, I have like this cherry, dark cherry looking color, and it goes good on top of it. So I like this, and it is tingly, so I guess it is going to plump my lips. So that is it, guys. That is it for my Boxycharm box, and I am so happy that fall is here. Today in Houston it's cold, so yeah, really loving that. Finally, it's not hot. It feels like it's supposed to be feeling cold. Well, not cold, but más o menos, you know. So yeah, you know what I forgot to do, because I'm like, my eyebrows don't look. There goes that. Okay, so yeah, I'm so ready for fall. I can't wait to go do my nails, my fall nails. I'm so excited. My girl hooks it up. She comes through. She really does come through. I'll go ahead and leave her IG double on the description box, so y'all can check her out, because she does amazing work. She saves me. She has saved me a lot of times. If I need her to go and do for me at whatever time late at night, like 9 or 10, she's there for me. Like, she is there. So yeah, I'm shouting her out because I love her work. I love her nails. Her little rhinestones always stay on. Like, it's been 3 weeks already and that rhinestone's still there. Like, they last for a long time. So shout out to her, Norma. Thank you. That is pretty much it. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else would you like to watch. If you've made it to the end of the video, thank you. That means a lot. True supporter. But yeah, can't wait to go fall shopping for clothes and do a haul for y'all. And well, more videos are coming up, so stay tuned for that. More videos. I'll be consistent. I'm just having a little bit of problems with my computer. Like, its storage is getting full, but I'm gonna work on it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.